Alright, Ghana for and I'm a barbecue. 3 brokers are almost accepting mobile money transactions. Ebia wo Ghana, Kenya, Cameroon, Nigeria. Na some person will enter into the stock market. Even some person will trade forex. I think said the best option I will be to me any transactions. Using your mobile money. And number working here simple. Woody sika tuma simple. Wo person will withdraw with sika so simple. But brokers banner almost accepting mobile money transactions. Don't worry, and the matchup 3 brokers are almost mobile money transaction. Into bet me you see MTN Momo and also say Orange if you are in Cameroon, Nigeria or Kenya. Bet me you see any mobile money service provider who will be making deposit and also say with their year withdrawal. The question is, adentina ye per se ye use mobile money at the transaction. Oh, so what Ghana, Cameroon, Nigeria and also say Kenya. Who walk small distance there is Momo Venture. It is a person will make it deposit into your broker's account. It's simple. And a person will withdraw the council. It's simple because maybe over for Ghana and I say Cameroon and I say Nigeria and I say Kenya. No mobile money ventures for the able. And when she has a wobeko bank, wobeko sell or fail, wobeko waste with time, I could delay. It is a when your broker or accepting mobile money transactional, ubetimi a trade wherever that you are. And one say, would this cover 2 account in him? They will make it deposit or withdraw. So, about that account in him simple, fast, instantaneous. It is a person who use mobile money transaction in terms of your forex trading or stock market trading. I think this is the best option. I say, will you see? Yes. You are the right place. Brokers are almost accepting mobile money transaction. Best brokers that accept mobile money transaction. So without wasting much of your time, your friend is busy. Channel way so me take you through the online hustling. Into Bomadiana subscribe. More English version of this video. So won't take Mr. Kobo link in our description. So now could see the English version of this video. The same thing. Intimate say one brand. My mention 3 brokers are almost accepting mobile money transaction. Who Ghana, Kenya, Nigeria, and also Cameroon. Who bet me picking any of this, but me rank it almost according to my favorite and then I made the best share last. Until Bomadi answer will be video a series and the way who I make us me pay my favorite. Into number 1 on my list. Best broker that accepts mobile money transaction is IQ Option. IQ Option is a popular broker and conform with Brennan UC. Yes, almost respectable in terms of the trading. Almost akwenya mawutimi trading any of the asset classes, whether stocks, forex, commodities or cryptocurrencies. Ubetimi you see IQ Option and you will trading. One thing I'm for power almost when they say almost offer different ways I make it deposit any withdrawals, and one of them a mobile money transaction. Into ubetimi you see with MTN Momo and also say Orange maybe I will be ano at the year withdrawal and also say deposit. The next broker or toss number 2 no our list and so just Forex for so a popular pan for Brennan use almost so good in terms of trading. What I say we bet me sign it up with just Forex for so emma akwenya ma wutimi you see mobile money at the year deposit and the withdrawal into BBI is simple with just Forex. You can sign up with them and start trading using your mobile money. Everything is simple. Into Ghana for the Otosu number 3, which is my favorite, SNES for Adikunti me pe myself they say you fast. What I say we make it deposit within 5 minutes now. I reflect it our dashboard and so what's also a withdrawal. So you find me withdraw 200 cedis almost say 200 cedis now almost under my dear mommy. Oh, into me pe myself we a beginner almost boamo to me trade it simple. The SNS for the mommy reason be I say me stop it me pe myself SNS for so emo akonya ma wutimi use mobile money in terms of say we deposit and now so say we withdrawals. everything is simple with Xness. Into betimi sign up with Xness. Link in the above description. Into Bosona sign up with Xness. Trading is fun when you sign up with Xness just Forex or IQ option. So what Ghana now we share best broker that accept mobile money transaction. Ubetimi sign up with any of these 3 brokers. You can call me Speezy, table with Speezy, the money preacher. Yes, and I like it and I want it, and you also have to get it. So guys, smash that like button if this video helps you, and also subscribe to join the community for free without wasting much of your time. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.